Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We're in Las Vegas. Today I'm going to take you to Mandalay Bay and show you what it looks like there in wintertime. We're currently taking the tram from Excalibur. The express tram to Mandalay Bay takes about 5 minutes and is totally free. First off, Mandalay Bay is one of my favorite resorts in all of Las Vegas. I absolutely love it here. It is so cool and it is so huge. It's definitely a mega resort. One thing I get asked all the time is like, what is it like in the winter? So I really wanted to make this video to show you what it's like, because the biggest thing about Mandalay Bay is the pool area. It is awesome. But what is it like in the winter months when temperatures could dip down to 30, 40 degrees? I'm here visiting and filming this. It is December. It is between Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's a fabulous time to come to Las Vegas if you don't like crowds. Because another reason Mandalay Bay is not that busy right now is because there's no conventions. Rooms this week for Mandalay Bay were severely cheap. I was so tempted to spend the night here, but we were already staying somewhere else. Here's a little look of the monstrosity of a pool area that Mandalay Bay has. We're currently inside. I'm walking over towards the convention area and the food court. Mandalay Bay is not lacking at all as far as food choices go. You're going to find all kinds of international cuisines, a food court, fine dining. There's a House of Blues. Later in this video, I'm going to be taking you over to the 1928 Speakeasy Prohibition Bar, but now we're going to be checking out Border Grill. We're going to be going for some margaritas and some appetizers. I'm here today with my husband, Kelly, and you may have seen some of this footage in a video that I made of what we did in a day. It was a series I made about every day we go to Las Vegas. I'll leave that playlist at the end of this video. But right now, this video is strictly about Mandalay Bay and what it's like in the wintertime. Border Grill is an absolute must if you like Mexican food and really pure margaritas. Oh my gosh, the guacamole and all these dips. Oh my, I'm so hungry looking at this. I want this now. Fantastic. I love this. This is one of my favorite restaurants there. Because it's off season and it is located like right where all the convention halls are, it's really not a busy time for them. They were like really limited down to the seating, and I think we're closing for the week. Mandalay Bay is also a hotel in a hotel kind of situation. On property, you're also going to find Four Seasons and Delano. Stunning resorts. I'm going to take you for a little walk through those, and I'm going to show you where they're located. I love Mandalay Bay Casino. It's all on one floor. It's a little smoky, but all casinos are, except for Park MGM. That is a non-smoking resort that's not too far from here. The biggest problem with Mandalay Bay is where it is. It's the last casino on the strip. Here's a little look at the House of Blues. Mandalay Bay, in my opinion, is just not the best location if you really want to go explore Vegas. Now we're going to walk over to Delano. I've stayed at Delano before. It is awesome. The rooms are beautiful, but it's a little farther. Between Mandalay Bay and Delano, you're going to find Michael Jackson's One. Walking into Delano, instantly you could feel a different change of atmosphere. I could say it feels like a spa, but it's kind of more like sexy, moody. I don't know. It's got a really cool vibe. All the ceilings are big. It's got these draperies. You know, it's just like very like chic. I would recommend Delano for maybe couples or people like me that are just done with the partying. I've partied my butt off, believe me, for years. But now we're back to Mandalay Bay. This is where I would definitely, if you want a party time and you want to stay at Mandalay Bay, this is where I want to stay. Easy access to the pool, easy access to everywhere. It's livelier. Maybe not as much in wintertime, but it's still going to be more lively than staying at Delano. That is just a really almost like a retreat away from the madness. We are now viewing Mandalay Bay's reception check-in area. Like I said earlier, we are here early December and it is all decorated for Christmas. It's beautiful. This is my first time coming to Las Vegas during the Christmas season, and it's awesome. I highly recommend it. Over here at the Mandalay Bay lobby is also where you'll find the entrance to the Four Seasons. The Four Seasons, surprisingly, was the only place on this whole tour that was actually busy. They were having some Christmas parties in the restaurant, so I wasn't able to film those. There are restaurants here, though. Look at this Christmas tree. It's gorgeous. They do have a pool, but it was not open. But if you stay at Four Seasons or Delano, you could use the Mandalay Bay pool facilities, and that is where we're going to be going next. But here is a look at the outside facilities at Four Seasons. So basically, if you stay at the Four Seasons, you have access to a private pool for only Four Seasons guests. Plus, you could use the facilities over at Mandalay Bay as well. Delano has a pool, but it's situated in the Mandalay Bay facilities. But you need to be a registered guest at Delano to use it unless you rent a cabana or a daybed. Rules change constantly, so if you really want to know for sure, call the resort ahead of time because the rules are constantly changing. I'm sorry, I'm just chatting so much. We are on our way to see what pool facilities are open at Mandalay Bay in the winter. When I was there last, you could not pay to come into Mandalay Bay unless you were a registered guest. Now they have day passes. So, like I said, the rules are constantly changing, so call ahead. I was pretty surprised. The one pool that was open at the time of my visit was Moria Beach Club, which is adult only, 21 and up, tops optional kind of pool. They have turned this into a family pool in the winter. This now in the winter is totally free. Tops are definitely on. It's a family pool in the winter time. So you're gonna get all the luxuries, the pool, the beautiful. They have a great hot tub here, all of that. It's going to be in the winter, but you're not going to get the wave pool, the lazy river, all the different variety that Mandalay Bay has to offer. It's all closed. But the Moria Beach Club, at least last year when I was there, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Not all pools are open in Vegas in winter, so make sure you call ahead. Now we're going to head up to the shops at Mandalay Bay. This is a very cool shopping and food extravaganza walkway that goes to the Luxor. We're going to check out the 1923 Prohibition Bar. This place is cute. If you're looking for something a little unique, the prices for drinks are a little steep. But it's really good if you want to go get some Instagram pictures or if you just want to chill. If you're there to go get hammered, there are probably much better, cheaper options. But this is a great place to go if you're looking for something a little unique and special. My final thoughts about Mandalay Bay. In the winter, I would totally do it. But I don't love crowds. And I love a good deal. You seriously can't beat the great prices that they have, but you're not getting all the pool facilities. It's not very convenient to other resorts, but it is a very short walk to Luxor. But if you really want to go somewhere that you're right in the middle of the action, this may not be for you. Click on my playlist for more videos about Las Vegas. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks, trying to help you plan the perfect Vegas vacation. Book that trip, pack your bags and go. Be well to yourself, be kind to others, and safe travels to you, and good luck in those casinos.